Johnny Be Good by Chuck Berry. We start with a slide to from kind of like the 6th fret on the G string with the middle finger into the 7th fret. By the way, I play everything with downstrokes in this riff, okay? And then 6th fret and 8th fret on the B string, okay? And then we have a pretty cool double stop. We do a slide from the 5th fret of the B and E string with the index finger to the 6th fret. 2 times, so the first one is a slide, and then 2 and the 6th fret, okay? 5th fret, 6, 6, 5, 6, 6, 5, 6, 6. Make sure to mute the strings you don't need right now, like the low E, A, and D string with your palm of your picking hand, okay? So you don't have something like this. Just put your kind of like a part of your palm here on the strings and play. And then we go to 9th fret on the B string with the pinky, 8, 6, and then 6, 7 on the G string and 8th fret on the D string. And then we go to, again, 2 strings at a time. We play here 8th fret on the A and D string. I play it with the ring and the pinky. And I do a slide from the 7th fret into the 8th fret. You hit it 8 times. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And then we go again from the 6th fret G string to the 7th fret with a slide. And then we have index and ring finger in the 6th fret of the B string, 6th and 8th fret, so, and 6th fret again. While we're hitting both strings, G and B string, okay? First hit is just G string, and then G and B. And then we have a slide with the ring finger and the 5th fret on the G string, a down slide, then 3rd fret G string, 5th fret D string, and 3rd fret G string again. So it's and then we go to the 8th fret on the G string, pretty cool bending going on here. So we do a whole tone bend. And after we did it, with the ring finger, 8th fret G string, we kind of like stop there on the top of the bending. And we stop the note. Don't play, but very short note. And it's played, index finger, 6th fret B string. Okay. The figure goes 5 times, and on the 3rd and 5th time, we do not only play on the 6th fret of the B string, but also on the 6th fret of the E string. We do this double stop again. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then another bend, and then we go to the 6th fret on the E string. And then again 9, 8, 6 on the B string. And then 8th fret E string, 8, 6, and then 8, 9, 8, 6 on the B string. 8, 6, 9, 8, 6, and then 8, 6, 9 on the G string. but the last one is a hammer on. And then we have a nice little sweep pick. 7th fret G string and 6th fret B and E string with the middle, and then the index is barred here. Just down, so kind of like fall down the strings. After I played the very notes, I kind of like don't let them ring, but I lift the middle finger up a tiny little bit so it dies. Take a look how my index finger kind of like rolls over, and when it comes to the E string, the B string doesn't sound anymore. And then we go like this. Again, 9, 8, 6 on the B string. Then again the bending on the 8th fret of the G string. After that on the 6th fret of the B string. 2 times. 8, 6, 7, 8 on the D string. On the G string, 8, 6, hammer on into the 7th, and then 8th fret, D string.